Good morning, children. Let us begin the session just by recalling the things we have learned in the previous class. So, what we have learned is integers. So, integers is nothing but positive, negative numbers along with a zero. And we have learned few properties of integers too. The properties we learned are if any two numbers are in the same sign, that is either in plus or in negative, you have to add and put that particular sign. And any two numbers are in different sign, that is either plus or minus, you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So this was the very important concept we have learned in the previous two sessions. Applying the same concept, we are getting into the second exercise, that is properties of subtraction. So properties of addition and properties of subtraction is nothing but both are similar, that I have taught you again and again. So straightly we can get enter into exercise. Clear? So exercise 1.2, here I have given you the fill in the blanks and true or false. So the answers were written in the red ink pen and the questions were in the blue ink pen. So look into the question. Minus 44 plus dash, that gives the answer minus 88. So here the answer is minus. So obviously you have to think, so which number to be added with minus 44 so that you should get the answer minus 88. If the number is in decrease, you can put big number so that you can subtract. So here the number have been increased, so you have to add of same sign. So minus 44 in minus 44 is added, you will be getting answer minus 88. Clear? So here getting into the second sum, dash of minus 75 is equal to minus 45. So here the answer have been decreased, so you have to subtract. So 30 minus 75 is minus 45. And third one, dash of minus and plus 50, you should get the answer minus 80. So minus of plus will become minus here and minus 30 should be added. So minus 30 and minus 50, the answer will be minus 80. Clear? Okay, next we are entering into true or false. So here look into the first question, that is minus 675 minus of minus 400, that gives the answer minus 1075. Whether it is true or false? False, because I have given you the written explanation here, that is minus 675 and minus of minus will become plus here. So plus 400. So minus 675 and plus 400 was here. So if any two number in the opposite sign, what was the condition we have to remind? Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So subtract 400 from 675, that is 275 you will be getting. And what is the bigger number here? It is 675 and the sign of the bigger number is minus. So the answer will be minus 275. So obviously minus 1075 is wrong. So that is false. Look into the second question. 15 minus of minus 18 is same as 15 plus 18. Yes, because minus of minus will become obviously plus. So 15 plus 18 will give the same answer. So therefore it is true. Clear? Okay, now listen into the third question. Minus 45 minus of minus 8 will be equal to minus 8 minus of minus 45. Whether it is true or false? False, because here minus 45 minus of minus will become plus. So minus 45 and plus 8 you will be getting minus 37. And here minus 8 minus of minus is plus 45. So here you will be getting the answer plus 37. So definitely plus 37 and minus 37 will not be equal. So therefore the answer is false. Look into the next question. Minus 3 of minus 4, represent it in the number line. As I have taught you the number line in your previous class, if it is plus symbol, you have to jump forward, and if it is in negative, you have to jump backward. So what was the first number given here is minus 3. So from 0, jump 3 units backward. So you will be getting minus 3 here. And next, minus of minus will become plus 4. So from this point, you have to jump 4 units forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4. While you are jumping 4 units forward, the arrow will stops on number 1. So that will be the answer. So a written explanation I have given here. So minus 3 plus 4, the answer will be 1. So both of them are equal. Clear? Now look into the second question. Minus 200 minus of plus 100. So what you have to do? No sign should be nearer. So minus of plus will become minus here. So minus 200 and minus 100. So here you have to do addition and put the same number same side. So minus 200 minus 100 is 300 and common sign is minus. Clear? Okay children, we are entering into the fourth question, that is word problem. Listen to the question carefully. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. Clear? He gave 2 pencils to Sandal. Hope he is good children like you. So he is giving. Okay. And 3 to Karthik. So next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that he gave 8 to his sister. So how many pencils are left with him? That was the question. Let us look into the answer. Okay. So initially Kabilan has 10 pencils. As he is very good boy like you, he gave 2 pencils to Sandal. So remaining he has 8 pencils with him. Clear? And again he gave 3 pencils to Karthik. So how many pencils was left with him? 8 minus 3 is 5. So apprising his good habit, his father gave him 6 more pencils. So totally he has 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11 pencil, and he has 11 pencil in his hand now. Okay, again what he did, he gave 8 pencils to his sister. So whether you kids do like this, if you are giving, you will be appreciated by everyone. Okay, so 11 minus 8, he has 3 pencils with him. So clear children? Okay, so let us enter into the next question. Okay, listen into the fifth question. A lift is on the ground floor. If it goes 5 floors down and then moves up to 10 floors from there, and then in which floor will the lift be? Okay, so listen the answer for that question. You are assuming, let the lift be in the ground floor, let the ground floor be 0. It goes 5 floors down, that is downwards. Downwards is nothing but backwards. So backward means negative numbers. So you are taking it as minus 5. So it is going 5 floors down. So backward 5 floors. So you are taking it as minus 5. Now the lift is in minus 5th floor. It is in underground beneath. You would have seen in many malls and all. You have seen many malls minus 1, minus 2, that is floors underground. Clear? And moves up to 10 floors from there. So now the lift is starting from minus 5th floor and it is moving forward of 10 floors totally. So the question is, at which floor was the lift now? So what we are doing? From minus 5 totally it traveling 10 floors. So minus 5 plus 10, that is equal to 5. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So minus 5 plus 10 is equal to plus 5. Now the lift is in the 5th floor. That's all. Listen to the 6th question. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She was in corona, it seems. Clear. Let us see. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? Very simple. Subtract 2 from 102. What will be the answer? 100. That's it. That was the answer here. I have given you 102 degree Fahrenheit minus 2 degree Fahrenheit. That is equal to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Very simple. Let us shoot out the 7th question. What number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19? Let the number be x. Add to minus 17. So listen. Let the unknown number be x. which number should be added to that number so that you should get the answer minus 19. So x plus minus 17, that is equal to minus 18, plus of minus will become minus, that is equal to minus 19. So here jumps, minus 17 jumps to that side. I have pointed clearly in the red pen. So minus 17 will become plus 70. So x is equal to minus 19 plus 17. So both the numbers with different signs, subtract and put the bigger number sign, that is equal to minus 2. Clear? Listen the 8th question. A student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47 and he got minus 30. Is he correct? Let us justify. So from minus 47, minus 12 have to be subtract. So minus 47 minus of minus 12 will be the sentence. So minus of minus will become plus here. So minus 47 and plus 12 will be, the answer will be subtracting and putting the bigger number sign, that is equal to minus 35. So definitely his answer is wrong. Children, clear? So this exercise is over. I have given you 2 assignment problems. Please note down and you can do by yourself. So exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2 is nothing but addition and subtraction of the integers. So you have to remind the 4 concepts that I have taught you earlier and again, that is if any 2 numbers are in the same sign, that is it is in plus or minus, you have to add and put the same symbol, and any 2 numbers are in the different sign, you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So under this concept we have seen that 2 exercise 1.1 and 1.2 by repeating the same concept, that you should not forget ever. Dear children, try out these objective questions too. Minus of minus 18, what will be the answer? And minus 100, minus 0, plus 100. Obviously you could tell the answer immediately, but no problem, try by yourself. Clear? In the next class we will see multiplication of integers in the next session. Thank you for watching.